Join me today on the Pilates Springboard for a side leg series. This is a portion of my class that I did for those recovering from hip and knee replacements. Okay, next we're going to come into a side leg series, and we're going to go ahead and take our straps to level, or our springs to level 5 or 4 if you want less resistance. I'm going to place a yoga block here for my head to keep my head in line with my spine. But you can certainly lay straight down onto the floor. I just like the feel of my head resting on the yoga block, and then I rest my hand up behind. We're going to go ahead and take the spring that's in front of our body here and place it on our top or working leg. All right, we're going to start here with our legs in a straight line outside of our hips, and we're going to go ahead and bend the feet back. Right here, we're going to go into the oyster. So we're going to keep our feet together, and we're going to open up the knee, rotating up, and then squeezing back down. Good. Open and close. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, squeezing back in. Inhale, lift. Exhale, squeeze. Good. Let's go for 6 more here. 6 and close. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. From here, lengthen those feet back out, and we're going to take our feet, rather than being in a straight line, slightly angled towards the corner of our mat. Now we're going to sweep our leg forward and back. So we're going to keep the feet parallel. The knee is forward, the hip is closed, rather than being externally rotated. Right here, we'll sweep forward and back. Now start the range of motion small. So you may be starting right here and back, and then gradually lengthen more and more, making that range of motion as large as you can comfortably maintain while stabilizing through the hips. Sweeping forward and back. Inhale, sweep it forward. Exhale, press back and away. You can use that hand for support and balance. Let's go for 5 more here. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Good. Now we're going to take that leg up and down. Again, still staying parallel. We're going to float the leg up and squeeze it down. Inhale, float up and away. Exhale, squeezing down. We're feeling that glute in the outside of our hip. Squeezing back down. Lift up and away. Good. Make this precise. Pay close attention and connect mentally to what's going on in your body. Don't let anything fly off. We're going to squeeze down, releasing that spring as we float the leg up and squeezing down, so we're not letting the leg fly up with the spring and then pulling down. We're floating it up, resisting on the way up, and squeezing it back down. Never letting the springs pull us. We're always very much in control of the springs. Let's go for 3 more here. Exhale as we press down. 2, and 1. We're going to go into the bicycle. So we're going to bend the leg, bring it forward, extend out long, and sweep back. Bend, sweeping through and forward, and sweeping back. 3, 2, and 1. Reverse direction. Take the toe back, bend through the knee, extend straight back behind. Sweep the leg straight around through. Bend back, extend, and sweep it through. 2 more here, and then we'll be switching legs. Last one. Sweeping through. Good. Go ahead and bend that knee in. Remove the strap and switch to the other side. Reset. Make sure that shoulder is stacked over shoulder, hip over hip, and you're not leaning forward. We're staying nice and open through the chest, lifted through the side body right here. And take that strap that's in front of your body, placing it on your foot, hand down to balance. Right here, we're in a straight line from our hips down to our toes, and we're going to bend those toes back behind us, stack knee over knee. We're going to keep that foot over foot, and we're going to open up just the knee coming into the oyster. Inhale, lift, exhale, squeeze, closed. Good. From here, we're going to have 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Lengthen the legs out long. Take them angled forward towards the corner of your mat. Keeping the foot parallel here, we're going to sweep forward and back, starting that motion small and expanding larger as we go and as we feel comfortable. We want this to be steady and graceful. Keep the length through your upper body, so don't fold and crunch in to get the leg more forward. Keep the length right here. Keep the chest nice and open. Reach, reach. Good. Sweeping forward and back. Try to stabilize through those hips as much as possible. Let's take 5 more here. 4, feel that opening through the hip flexor stretching. 3, 2, and 1. Good, and we'll lift that leg up and down again, keeping the hip closed, knee forward, lift up, and squeeze down. Exhale, squeezing down. Inhale, float up and away. Exhale, squeeze. Think about keeping space here, lifted through the side body. Good. Let's take 3 more, 2 more, and 1 more into bicycles. Knee coming forward, extend the leg out straight, sweeping back. We're taking 5 in each direction. Final one this way. Now bend the leg, reach back, stretch and lengthen through. For 2. Adjust my strap. It's creeping forward. And last one. Good, go ahead and bend in and remove the strap.
Thank you so much for joining me at the Bennie Pilates studio. If you would like to see more springboards, stay tuned for my channel. And if you want to see full-length springboard classes, check out my links in the write-up below to join me on Patreon and work with me online. And check out my channel for Mat Pilates, Springboard Pilates, Barre, and much more. I'll see you guys next time in the studio. Have something that you would like to see on the springboard? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you.